So ayun guys, nandito tayo sa may Arayat, Pampanga kung saan ginanap yung tree planting natin with FKM Motorcycle Philippines. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga available or mga FKM users, mga unit nila na ina-avail sa FKM. Tingnan nyo kung gaano karami guys. So FKM Core 188, ayan, color black. Tapos napakaganda guys, so nakaspook na rin yung kanyang gulong. And then meron tayong Pyro V2 180. Meron tayong Coolser 500, yan, napaka-pogi oh. And then meron tayong Venture standard. Ito yung Core 188 na color white guys, napakaganda din. Ayan, tingnan nyo oh, naka-spokes. Venture 180, Slick 150. And then meron tayong Express 500 guys, napaka-pogi, pang Jericho Rosales yan guys. Expressway legal, meron tayong Venture 180. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang Juke 150. Ayan, Ranger 150 guys, naka-setup. Meron na siyang crash guard. Ayan, may mga ilaw na rin. And then ayan, may Venture. Ayan guys, so. Ayan. May makasama natin guys. So ayan, may mga Falcon users din tayo guys. Ayan, pares ng kulay. Ayan, Falcon. Siyempre, Venture 150. Victorino. Ayan, MTX, napaka-pogi din yan guys. Ayan, meron tayong Falcon ulit. Coolser 500, Slick 400 syempre. At syempre yung ating ARY 500 kung saan dito sa Arayat pinangalan ang ARY 500. Ayan, meron tayong Falcon, Slick, ayan. MTX color gold and white. Ayan. So yun guys, nagawa nyo guys. Kung gusto nyo maging FKM user din, gaya namin guys. Tingnan nyo, napaka solid ng community ng FKM. And very supportive din ng FKM Motorcycle Philippines. So yun guys, kita-kits tayo ulit. Ride safe and God bless. Let's go.
I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright. The city's shining.